Ducati has done it again, combining speed, elegance, and exclusivity into one masterpiece. Introducing the Panigale V4 Tricolore, only 1,000 units, and it's already making waves. This amazing remake of a classic is guaranteed to blow minds and pockets. In today's video, we'll take a look at what makes this bike amazing. Ducati is one of the most famous motorcycle brands in the world, known for its cutting-edge performance, sleek design, and deep connection to Italian culture. The company began in Bologna, Italy in 1926, not as a motorcycle manufacturer, but as a producer of radio parts. But after World War II, Ducati shifted gears and started making motorbikes. Over the decades, Ducati became known for creating high-performance motorcycles that dominated both racetracks and streets. One of Ducati's most iconic creations is the Tricolore line. The name Tricolore comes from the Italian flag, which features three colors: green, white, and red. Ducati first introduced the Tricolore theme in the 1098 S Tricolore in the mid-2000s. The bike featured a striking design with the Italian flag's colors boldly displayed on its bodywork. Beyond its looks, the 1098 S Tricolore came with high-end performance features, including race-grade suspension, advanced braking systems, and an incredibly powerful engine. Most riders saw it as a piece of Italian art that could also dominate the racetrack. Another standout Tricolore model was the Panigale V4 S Tricolore, which pushed the boundaries of technology and performance. This limited edition superbike was equipped with Ducati's Desmosedici Stradale engine, a V4 powerhouse inspired by the company's MotoGP racing machines. It featured advanced electronics, lightweight materials, and top-tier suspension systems, making it one of the fastest and most sophisticated bikes Ducati has ever made. And it's this tradition that the new Panigale V4 Tricolore carries on, showcasing Ducati's engineering mastery and love for its heritage. With its bold design, unmatched performance, and Italian flair, the Tricolore line is a perfect example of why Ducati continues to be a leader in the world of motorcycles. The Ducati Panigale V4 Tricolore isn't just a motorcycle. It's a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship. One of the first things you'll notice is the use of carbon fiber details across the frame and body. Carbon fiber is not only sleek and stylish, but also incredibly lightweight and strong. This material helps reduce the bike's overall weight, making it faster and adding to its premium appearance. From the front fender to the winglets and other key components, these carbon fiber touches give the motorcycle a high-tech, futuristic feel. The attention to detail is remarkable, as every piece feels like it was crafted with care and precision. One unique feature of the Panigale V4 Tricolore is its limited edition numbering. Each bike comes with a unique engraving on the fuel tank, like 1 of 1,000, marking it as part of an exclusive series. This numbering adds to the bike's collectible value and makes each owner feel like they own a piece of history. Owning a Panigale V4 Tricolore isn't just about riding. It's about being part of a select group of enthusiasts who appreciate Ducati's excellence. Beyond looking good, the design of the Panigale V4 Tricolore is also built for performance. Every curve and angle on this bike is designed to enhance aerodynamics. The winglets on the front, for example, are not just for show. They create downforce, which helps keep the bike stable at high speeds. This is especially important on the track, where even a tiny improvement in stability can make a big difference. Ducati has done an incredible job merging aesthetics with functionality. The sleek bodywork is designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance, improving speed and handling. Even the position of the headlights and the shape of the fuel tank are carefully thought out to improve airflow. This combination of beauty and performance makes the Panigale V4 Tricolore a true marvel of engineering. At the heart of this amazing bike is a mighty V4 1100cc engine, which produces over 210 horsepower. To put that into perspective, that's more power than many small cars, packed into a lightweight, two-wheeled rocket. This incredible engine allows the Panigale V4 Tricolore to reach a potential top speed of over 186 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest bikes on the road. What makes the V4 engine special is how it combines raw power with smooth delivery. Ducati's engineers designed the engine using technology inspired by MotoGP racing, ensuring that it doesn't just perform at high speeds, but also offers precise control and balance. This is important because a bike this powerful needs to handle well to keep the rider safe and confident. Now, the Panigale V4 Tricolore isn't just about speed. It's also packed with advanced technology that enhances its performance. One standout feature is the cornering ABS system, which keeps the brakes working smoothly even when you're leaning into a turn. This ensures safety and stability, no matter how sharp the corner. The bike also has customizable riding modes, allowing the rider to adjust the bike's behavior based on their preferences or road conditions. Whether you're cruising through city streets or racing on a track, the Tricolore adapts to fit your needs. Additionally, its traction control system prevents the rear wheel from spinning out, especially during rapid acceleration. Now, how does the Tricolore compare to the standard Ducati Panigale V4? While the base Panigale V4 is already a phenomenal bike, the Tricolore takes it to the next level. Performance-wise, the Tricolore benefits from additional refinements, including a higher focus on track-ready capabilities. Its suspension system is optimized for sharper handling, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. The Tricolore also comes with lighter body parts, improving its overall agility. While the standard Panigale V4 is designed for a balance of road and track use, the Tricolore leans more toward pure performance, appealing to serious riders who crave the ultimate biking experience. Before we go on to talk about the other features of this amazing motorcycle, please like this video and subscribe to learn more about bikes like this. Now, one of the standout features of the Ducati Panigale V4 Tricolore is its exclusivity. Ducati has announced that only 1,000 units of this masterpiece will be produced, making it a rare gem in the world of motorcycles. This limited number has created a sense of urgency and excitement among motorcycle enthusiasts and collectors. The price point of the Panigale V4 Tricolore also adds to its exclusivity. Priced significantly higher than the standard Panigale models, the Tricolore is designed for those who truly appreciate high-performance machines and are willing to invest in something extraordinary. While the exact price may vary depending on the market, it's expected to cost well above $50,000. For collectors and enthusiasts, this price tag isn't a deterring factor. It's part of the appeal. Many are already lining up to secure their spot in history, knowing the bike's rarity and significance will make it even more valuable in the future. One of the reasons for this high demand is that limited edition Ducatis like the Panigale V4 Tricolore often appreciate in value over time. Unlike standard production motorcycles, which can depreciate in value, rare models like this one tend to become collector's items. In fact, enthusiasts know that owning a limited edition Ducati is not just about riding, it's also an investment. Previous limited edition Ducati models, such as the Superleggera V4, have seen their value increase significantly, and many expect the Panigale V4 Tricolore to follow a similar trend. Another reason for its exclusivity is the Tricolore's connection to Italian heritage. The name Tricolore refers to the three colors of the Italian flag: green, white, and red, which are proudly displayed on the bike's bodywork. This design celebrates Ducati's Italian roots, making the Panigale V4 Tricolore even more special. For fans of Ducati and Italian engineering, owning this bike is like owning a piece of history. Collectors and enthusiasts are also drawn to the craftsmanship and advanced technology that the Panigale V4 Tricolore represents. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol of Ducati's commitment to pushing the boundaries of performance and design. From its lightweight materials to its advanced aerodynamics, every detail of the bike has been carefully designed to make it stand out. So who is this bike designed for? Well, this bike is for people who appreciate more than just speed and performance. It's for those who want to stand out and own a piece of art. Whether you're a crazy motorcycle enthusiast or someone looking for the ultimate symbol of style and engineering, the Tricolore offers something truly special. First, let's talk about the passionate riders. For those who live and breathe motorcycles, the Panigale V4 Tricolore is a dream come true. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, like its powerful 1100cc V4 engine and advanced electronics. These features make it perfect for those who love the thrill of riding. Imagine taking this bike on a winding mountain road or a racetrack. It's designed to deliver an unmatched performance with incredible speed, precision, and control. For these riders, it's not just a bike. It's a tool to push their limits and enjoy every second on the road. Next, we have the rich collectors. These are people who value craftsmanship, exclusivity, and heritage. Ducati's name alone carries a rich history in motorcycling, and the Tricolore is a limited edition masterpiece. With its stunning design inspired by the Italian flag and premium materials, this motorcycle is like owning a piece of Italian art. This is the kind of bike that would look just as impressive in a luxury garage as it would tearing down the highway. Then, there are those who seek a statement piece. Not everyone who buys a Panigale V4 Tricolore is a professional rider or collector. Some people simply want to own something that turns heads. With its gorgeous design, vibrant colors, and roaring engine, this bike is impossible to ignore. It's for people who want to make an entrance wherever they go and stand out in a crowd. But the Ducati Panigale V4 Tricolore isn't just about the bike itself, it's about what it represents. Owning one means joining an exclusive club of riders and enthusiasts who share a passion for excellence. Ducati owners are often part of a tight-knit community that celebrates these incredible machines. From meetups and events to online forums, being a Ducati owner connects you to a world of like-minded people. So there you have it, the new and amazing Panigale V4 Tricolore. This isn't just a bike, it's a celebration of Italian engineering, speed, and artistry. But with only 1,000 units, the question isn't whether you want it, it's whether you can get your hands on it. So if you could afford to own one, would you get it? Let us know in the comment section below.